to BeautiCo. So today in this video I am going to be showing you my absolute favorite products from the drugstore, that is affordable makeup. And I think this is the perfect video for beginners, even college going girls, teenage girls who are just investing in makeup and just want to explore makeup and make themselves look presentable and cute and pretty and all of that good stuff. Okay, so let's quickly get started, but before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now quickly get started. Let's get started. So for moisturizer, I'm using this. This is the Latte Absolutes Hydro Pro Gel Cream. I used to love the Pond's gel, I think, moisturizer, that blue packaging one. That is amazing. It's very affordable, very good quality, and makes the skin super duper hydrated. And this is exactly similar to that one, so that's the reason I have been using this. I really want to invest in the Pond's one, but this one is also amazing. This is also gel formula, very light, water-like, and this is going to suit all skin types. Next is primer. Now I have two primers that I absolutely love. Both are very similar. This one is the Nykaa's Prep Me Up Face Primer, and this one is the Colorbar's Flawless Finish Primer. Both are silicone based, blurs the skin, makes it very smooth and बहुत ही like flawless दिखती है skin. So today I think I'm gonna use this one. Foundation. Now for foundation, I am actually using this one. This is my favorite foundation from the drugstore. The reason why, firstly, it's a full coverage foundation and it lasts a very long time, looks super flawless, transfer proof hai, bilkul bhi move nahi karega, but still looks like skin. And I'm in the shade 310. Iska naam hai Maybelline Super Stay Full Cover 24-hour full coverage foundation. Stamping motion, stamp and drag, stamp and drag. The best concealer that is there in the market, which is affordable, is the LA Girls Pro Conceal. This is just such a good quality concealer. It is medium to full coverage, very beautiful looking, natural looking. And another concealer that I love is the Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. I like to highlight with this. These two together just look amazing on my skin. चलो आज कंसीलर भी ब्रश से ही ब्लेंड कर लेते हैं. I'm using the PAC 272 brush. Next I'll take my Fit Me and I'll just apply it a little bit under the eyes to brighten. Just like that. और थोड़ा सा nose पे भी apply कर देती हूँ, forehead पे, because I feel like highlighting today. Usually मैं ये step skip कर देती हूँ, but when I'm sitting and doing like a full glam, मुझे ये करना पसंद है. अब इस liquid base को set करने के लिए I absolutely love using loose powders, and these two are my favorites. I don't use anything else except for these. You can see the evidence in my previous videos, on my Instagram videos. These two are the only powders that I love. Let me tell you about this loose powder. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. Now, I love using this to get the full coverage, flawless, long-lasting makeup. But on an everyday basis, I like to use this one. This is the K-Beauty's Loose Powder. Very finely milled and just blurs out the skin. It doesn't have much color. It's like more like a translucent powder. Very soft on the skin. Very beautiful looking. So this is what I'm going to use. Pressing this powder into my skin just like that. Okay, next is brows. So you guys must have already guessed my favorite product, because this is what I use in every single one of my videos, is the Mascara's Eyebrow Cake. Love it to fill in my brows, shape them, and the color that I personally use is this one. Okay, today I'm actually gonna do my face first and then we'll do eyes. Now for face, let's start with bronzer. My absolute favorite bronzer from the drugstore is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. And I understand like bronzers can be really tough to find in the drugstore market. Oh, the brush that I'm using is Pro Art PF07. Nose को भी contour कर लेंगे. I'm gonna use the same brush and just pinch it and do this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now for my favorite blushes, powder brushes. These ones, the L'Oreal Paris Le Barre blush. All the shades in this collection are beautiful and these have been my favorites since a very long time. This one is in the shade Play With Me. Very beautiful, like a burnt orange peachy shade. Then the other shade that I have is City Explorer, which I recently used in my, I think, Eid makeup tutorial. Love this shade as well, looks beautiful. This one has shimmer, that one, the previous one was matte, and the last shade that they have is Be Fierce. Again, this is also a beautiful looking blush. Okay, other than this, there's another brand of blushes that I love. Can you guess? These are the K Beauty blushes and these two are my absolute favorite shades. The first shade is Soft Nude. I love using this on an everyday basis. It's like a mauvey nudie blush, looks beautiful. And the other one is this one. This one is in the shade Sugar Candy. This is more like a pop of color, fresh looking color. Now let's move on to highlighter and then we'll quickly move on to eyes. Now for highlighter, it is the Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Another one that I like is the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petal. That is my second favorite, but my top favorite one is this. Okay, now let's move on to eyes. I am super excited. Are you? I want to show you eyeshadow palettes that I am loving. Pehla to I'm going to show you, which is very obvious. This one is the Makeup Revolution's Velvet Reloaded palette. This is my absolute favorite. I have used this so much on my channel so many times. And there are no pinks in this because I am not more of a pink person. But if you are a pink person, the K Beauty eyeshadow palettes are beautiful. There are other two palettes that I actually like and both of them are from NYX. One is this one. This is the NYX Lid Lingerie palette. Now this is my second palette of this. So this is one of my favorite shades, and then there is this brown shade which looks beautiful. There is this shade which is more on the cooler tone side. So if I want to do something cool tone, I have a shade here, and there are like this is a skin tone shade which looks beautiful all over the eyelids. Quality on this eyeshadow is beautiful. Let me show it to you. बहुत pigmented है और बहुत blendable है. Look at that. This is the Ultimate Shadow palette and this one is in the shade Warm Neutrals. Again, as you can see, these are my kind of tones, and again these have more mattes and there are some shimmery shades in this which is also very good, very natural looking. I am going to use this one. I love this one. I love it to bits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this shade and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. Under the eyes just to give it some shadow. So I'm happy with how it looks right now, but just to show you how beautiful this palette is, I'm just going to use this shade and I'm just going to darken my outer corners thoda sa. Just a little bit. I don't want to smoke it out too much because I want to keep it fresh and pretty looking. Okay, next, I absolutely love using glitter on my eyes, especially when it is a liquid glitter. So this one by Etude House is the Mirrorholic liquid glitter, I think. Mirrorholic liquid eyes, and this is in the shade BE101. Every time I wear this on my eyes, some or the other person is always asking me what I have on my eyes. So that just shows how beautiful this looks on my eye, and it's very easy to use. And I'm just going to like apply it on my eyes thoda sa, and just tap it. And I love using this. I know the next makeup product is something that us girls and guys love using, eyeliner. So the eyeliner that I love is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Ye mera top one eyeliner, number one eyeliner, because it has this felt tip which is very easy to use, and it's super black. It does not smudge. थोड़ा सा inner corner highlight कर लेती हूँ first. I feel like drugstore mascaras are better than high-end mascaras, and the one that I'm loving currently, and since the past 6 months, this is the mascara that I've been using. This is the Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Now this is so good. This gives me volume, this gives me length, and it's super black. It does not flake. It's a very good quality mascara. Okay, the eye makeup is complete, and I'm just gonna apply falsies, and I want to show you these falsies because they are affordable. They are just for 500 rupees. These are the Rene lashes in this style, Fine Sasha. Okay, before I move on to my best lipstick combo, I'm gonna set my face with my favorite setting spray from the drugstore, which is affordable. This is the Pax Micro Finish Fixer. Look at that. It's so fine. Like the best lip liner from the drugstore, I feel, is this one. This is the Maybelline's Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner, and this one is in the shade Totally Toffee. There are so many lipsticks that are good from the drugstore, the affordable range. But today I'm gonna be using the new launches by Miss Claire. Now you guys must have seen me using this. These are such amazing lipsticks. Now these two are my favorite shades, 06 and 02. I think 02 is a little bit more on the darker side, like a darker nudish pinky shade, but I think I'm gonna go for this one. This one is in the shade 06, more like a warm burnt brown orange kind of shade. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go now, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video right soon. Until then, bye.